Alright, so if any of you have ever watched my videos, then you know that that's my little turntable for welding shit. If I gotta go like in a quick round circle, like on a hammer or anything, and I don't want to jump around, I just put it on that and twist it. Well, I'm going to use that as my caveman lathe. I got my grinder latched down. I don't know how this is going to work. It's almost centered on there. I got a little bit, there's the line, and then it comes back around to right there, which is 3/4 of the way, so it's, you know, it's probably an 1/8 or a 1/16 off center, but I don't have the tools I need to do it, so I'm doing it caveman style, and it'll work. I'll figure it out. So I'm going to plug this in and I'm going to start, and then I'll show you the result.